Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to perform a little operation which is to configure a Cisco managed switch. Here are my group members. I'll start presenting myself. My name is Karek Widaba, ICTU 2021-2401. My group members now are going to present themselves.
My name is Latifa Fanta, ICTU 2021-2266.
Hello guys, my name is Megan Christie, ICTU 2021-2588.
Hey guys, my name is Joko Patrick Juvel, ICTU 2021-2347.
Hello viewers, my name is Loazibi James William Uti, ICTU 2021-2566. Okay, in order to reconfigure a Cisco managed switch, you must first of all install the app on your computer. Now, you are waiting for the app to load. Here is the Cisco Packet Tracer app. You see, with this Cisco Packet Tracer, we can simulate every network. You can use a network device. Here we have switches, you have routers, you have hubs, wireless devices. So with Cisco Packet Tracker, you can simulate any network. But here you are going to use the switch, and this is the switch here. So you drag the switch and paste it around here. Now, if you tap on it, you see all the configuration of the switch, the physical layers. Here are the physical layers. You can see the 24 ports. Here are the 2 gigabytes Ethernet ports. These are the ports here. Now, if you lower it and go to the CLI, this is here where the configuration starts.
And today we are going to configure a Cisco managed switch using a Cisco Trusted Breaker. So as presented by my colleague, here is the command line interface of the switch, or which is used by the switch or by any network. To get started, they say press return to get started. Return is the same as enter. Now, when you press the key enter, you can see is the switch here, and we wish to change the name of this from switch to group J, since we are group J of networking. By doing this, we are first of all in the user mode. We need to enter to the privilege mode so that we can change the options there. So we enable. So when you type in enable, you can see an hashtag in front of switch. This tells us that we are already in the privilege mode. And to change the name, we need to first of all configure to the terminal. So we type in the command configure terminal, configure T is the same thing. So configure. So as you can see, enter configuration commands one per line and with Control Z. So you can see that with this config in bracket, it permits us to change the name, enter the password, or input a message. Now we wish to change the name of the switch to group G. The first thing to do is that you type in the command host name space then group G. You press the enter key, and as you can see, group G, the name changed from switch to group G, and we are still in the configuration mode. We need to go back to the user mode by the exit command. Exit again. Now you can see the name has been changed to group G, and
Okay, now I'm going to configure the message of the day. The message of the day. This is the name of the switch that my colleague just from the team. So now I have to go to for the message of the day. So we have to type first enable. Now we are in the privilege mode. Now we have to go to the global configuration mode, configure terminal. So to 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 configure the message of the day, we have to call a command called banner. Question. Now to have the message of the day, we have to call the command banner motg. That is banner motg question mark. Now to put on the message of the day, we have to bring in a character that will make the message of the day to appear like a spare character. You can use any sign of the keyboard, like maybe the dollar sign. We're going to enter the text now. We can say hello, hello. This is group J of networking level 1, group 1. Okay, now we have to close back with the dollar sign. After this, we have to exit again. And we are back. That's the message that I've configured. Thank you.
Okay, after giving a name to our switch and giving also the message of the day, we are going now to create a password for our switch. Here we go. First, we need to write the command enable so as to access the privilege mode. Then we enter into the configuration terminal. There I'll write configure T or configure ter or configure terminal. It's all are the same. After that, from this point, now I'll enter line con 0. This time permits us to enter to configure now the switch with our passwords. That's why you see group G in bracket configure line. Now I'll enter password and I'll enter the password that I want. I'll say group G in capital letters. Okay, it's already configured the password. I've already set the password. Now I'll type login for a user to log in to the switch. Here the password and the login commands have already been configured. Now exit and again exit again. So now the person that wants to enter, we need now the password for our switch.
Okay, as the user, I have to log in the password, which is what I'm going to do here. Password. That is editor group G. That is okay. We continue. We enter, and I put in the password, which is group G, as was seen above. Group G, as was seen. That is the password. So you log in the password that is in caps, group G, enter, group G, enter again, enter, group G, and so I'm done. Right now, we are done configuring the network package. That is it for today.